If you've been thinking about creating a digital product but have no idea where to start, you're not alone. Maybe you've watched dozens of YouTube videos, downloaded free guides, and still feel overwhelmed. Every expert seems to tell you something different. One person says you need a course, another says you need an ebook, someone else says you need a membership. No wonder so many people never get started. The good news is that creating your first digital product is much simpler than most people make it sound. Today, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly process that uses AI to help you go from idea to finished product without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where to begin and what your next step should be. What is a digital product? Before we start creating anything, let's make sure we're talking about the same thing. A digital product is something you create once that people can download or access online. Examples include ebooks, checklists, templates, planners, printable worksheets, courses, prompt collections. The best part is that once it's created, you can sell it repeatedly without making another copy. Let me show you a few examples. PDF.checklist, Canva template, online course dashboard. Why AI makes this easier than ever? Years ago, creating a digital product could take weeks or even months. Today, AI can help you. Brainstorm ideas, create outlines, write first drafts, improve your writing, generate checklists, organize lessons, create worksheets, speed up your workflow. Notice I said, help. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. You still provide the ideas, experience, and final decisions. Step 1, pick one problem. Here's where most beginners make their first mistake. They try to create a product that solves 20 different problems. Instead, choose one problem, one audience, one solution. For example, instead of creating a course about online business, create one about making your first digital product with AI. The more focused your product is, the easier it is for people to understand what it does. Let's use AI to brainstorm 10 beginner problems related to digital products. Step 2, let AI help you build the outline. Never start with page 1. Start with the outline. Ask AI something like, create a beginner-friendly outline for a guide that teaches complete beginners how to create their first digital product using AI. AI gives you the framework. You improve it. Add your own ideas. Remove what doesn't fit. Think of AI as giving you the rough blueprint. Step 3, build your product in Canva. Now it's time to bring everything together. Canva makes creating professional-looking digital products simple. You don't need graphic design experience. You don't need expensive software. Just choose a clean template and build one section at a time. Let me open Canva. Create a new document. Choose a template. Replace the text. Add headings. Insert images or icons. Step 4, improve with AI. Once your first draft is finished, use AI to improve it. Ask it to simplify confusing sections, fix grammar, improve clarity, create better examples, suggest checklists, generate action steps. Remember, don't copy everything AI gives you. Review every section. Make sure it sounds like you. Step 5, finish before you perfect. This is where many beginners get stuck. They spend weeks changing fonts, changing colors, rewriting pages, adding more pages. Then they never finish. Done beats perfect. Your first product doesn't have to be your best product. It just has to help someone solve one problem. Once people start using it, you'll learn what to improve. Common beginner mistakes. Let's avoid a few common mistakes. Trying to create a huge product, buying too many courses before taking action, changing ideas every week, trying to make everything perfect, waiting until you feel ready. Every successful creator started as a beginner. The difference is they finished something. Your action plan today. I want you to do 3 things. First, choose one problem you want to solve. Second, use AI to create a simple outline. Third, open Canva and build your first page. Don't worry about finishing everything today. Just start. Momentum is built one step at a time. Creating your first digital product doesn't have to be complicated. With AI helping you brainstorm and organize your ideas, and Canva helping you design a professional product, you can accomplish far more than you probably think. The key isn't finding the perfect idea. The key is finishing your first product. Once you do that, the second one becomes easier. If this video helped you, subscribe because I'll continue showing simple, beginner-friendly ways to create and sell digital products using Canva and AI. If you want real help building a digital product business, check out the description.